Hello, my name is Dr. Srikanth V. I am a practicing plastic and cosmetic surgeon. I practice at Manipal Hospital, Bangalore and at Clinique Bangalore, which is also at Bangalore. How do we get rid of drooping eyes? Now, first thing we have to realize is that to find out the cause of the drooping eyes. It may be because of ptosis, that is because of the weakness of the muscle, in which case the ptosis correction is an entirely different surgery wherein either the muscle fascia or the fascia is tightened or we augment the muscle by some other means by using a sling or something. Now, these people usually present in the younger age group. As we grow older, the eyes and the face age. This is because of the effects of gravity and aging and the skin stretching, and it gives appearance of a droopy eyelid. Now, this correction can be done using techniques called as blepharoplasty. Now, blepharoplasty is correction of the eyelids. It can be done either for only the upper eyelids, it can be done for the lower eyelids, or it can be done for all the four. Once you get this procedure done, it takes about 2 to 4 weeks for the swelling to settle down and you can enjoy your new and refreshed looks after surgery.